You can be creating the best content out there, have the most links. But what if the content and everything is done so well, but your technical SEO changes have still not been implemented? And you're basically stuck with a website that won't rank because the search engine is not able to pick up the changes. That's what we'll talk about in this technical SEO course. So many websites are still stuck with an old SEO strategy. They think about all the different things, but hopefully with taking this course, you get to understand the fundamentals of technical SEO better, so you're able to directly implement them with your engineering teams. In this course, you will learn everything about the fundamentals of technical SEO and how you can implement it, what's out there, and how it can help your business drive additional SEO results. I'm Martijn Schijbler. I've been doing technical SEO for the last decade at multiple companies where I led SEO teams. With this technical SEO course, I hope to bring you to the next level in your technical SEO career, and basically get you from beginner to give you the understanding to become an expert on the technical SEO field.